Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll analyze the trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is April 5th. We have Chinese bank holiday. At 7:30 AM we have high impact news plan for New Zealand dollar, and at 8 AM we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs, and at 5:45 PM we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. Then at 7:30 PM we have high impact news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to plan your trades based on this news outcome plan. Let us proceed with our analysis. So I am in daily time frame now, and from the past price action we know that this level is presently acting as a very strong resistance zone because price hasn't gone above this resistance level of 2072, and in the past we were expecting this level of 2000 to be acting as a very strong resistance zone because we have noticed a price action to respect this level and to continue its previous trend, and presently also we have noticed a price action to test this resistance level several times and to fall on the bearish side retracement. And currently we can notice that it has clearly given a very strong breakout on the bullish side with a very big green candle, which shows the strength of the bullishness in this candle, and we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame as long as this support zone between 1972 to 2000 is not breached. So for now the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in bullish trend, and based on the past bullish channel pattern we can clearly notice that it has given a breakout from this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and it is trading within this bullish channel pattern, which again gives the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish trend in daily time frame for now. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend and it is trading between the resistance level of 2029 and support level of 2000. Once the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 2051, 2077 and 2112. This zone between 2077 to 2051 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone or a supply zone in daily time frame. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks this support level of 2000, next level of support is going to be around 1973 and 1949, and this zone between 2000 to 1973 is going to be acting as a very strong demand zone for the price action in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and in yesterday's price action we can clearly notice that the candlesticks has given a very strong breakout from this resistance level of 2000, and it has also closed above this resistance level, which shows the continuation of the bullish trend in 4 hours time frame also. And even if the price action bounces back on the retracement, we can again expect it to take support on the previous resistance level, which will be acting as a support level for the future price action. And also we have the daily time frame trend line or the support line running over here, which will support the price action from falling further on the bearish side retracement. So since the price action has made a very big bullish candle, we can expect a little bit of retracement to start in today's price action, but still it will only be a retracement. It won't be a trend reversal on the bearish side as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line from the daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and when we look at the past price action in hourly time frame, we knew that it was trading within a symmetric triangle pattern and was trading under a consolidation within this resistance line and the support line, and in yesterday's price action it has clearly given a breakout on the bullish side. So we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. But again we have a very strong resistance zone over here, which means that we need a very strong bullish candle again to break this resistance zone. And since the price action has given a breakout from this consolidation on the bullish side, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 2030 and support level of 2013. If the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, breaking this support level of 2013, next level of support is going to be around 2000, 1989, 1979, 1968 and 1948 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks this resistance level of 2030, next level of resistance is going to be around 2052 and 2080. And again the current price action is trading between the very strong resistance zone and a very strong support zone, and it is in a bullish trend for now. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and currently the price action is still in a bullish trend. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this support level of 2019, and next level of support is going to be around 2010, 2003, 1993, 1988, 1978 and 1973. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bullish side and continues its bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 2031, 2045 and 2052. For now the price action is waiting for the volumes to increase in order to make a directional momentum. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is under a consolidation. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout from this consolidation on the bullish side or on the bearish side, based on which you can enter into the directional trade in 15 minutes time frame. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bullish side, the immediate resistance is going to be around 2025, and once this resistance is broken, next level of resistance is going to be around 2035 and 2051. And on the bearish side, if the price action gives a breakout from this trend line or support line, the immediate support is going to be around 2016, 2008 and the support zone between 2000 to 1996. This zone will be acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action in 15 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.